Well, hi everybody, a good Thursday morning to meteorologist Travis Kleneski. A lot to talk about, so I'll just kind of dive right in. I have a few extra graphics that I'll be showing, so that's why I want to kind of hustle up here. It is a chilly start to our morning, but mostly clear skies out there. In fact, a lot of us will see plenty of sun today, maybe a few extra clouds up north and then possibly out west later on in the day. We will start to see an increase in clouds tonight after a decently mild day, also a blustery day. The winds stay a little breezy tonight, and clouds will be on the increase, especially after midnight. Maybe even throwing in a little drizzle or patchy fog out there. The best chances would be towards southeast Nebraska, but couldn't rule something out around the Tri-Cities area. With these clouds rolling in, temperatures will be warmer tonight compared to this morning. It is, as I said, it is chilly this morning in the 20s. Now tomorrow, the clouds are going to hold tough, mostly cloudy skies for much of the area, but despite that, it's going to be a relatively mild day out there. Temperatures into the 50s up north, but many of us pushing into the 60s. And if we can get enough sun, maybe up to around 70 degrees there, closer to the Nebraska-Kansas border. Now, we do have a cold front that comes through during the afternoon hours of your Friday. That front, the cold air will be delayed behind it, but we'll also see a chance of rain start to roll in behind that front overnight, Friday night into early on Saturday morning. If we see any snow, the best chances would be off towards the northwest. I'm not banking on much snow. I think it'll stay too warm for that. By the time we get towards sunrise Saturday, which is just beyond this time frame of this Futurecast product here, we should be looking at mostly clear skies and a lot of sunshine returning to the area, but unfortunately a blustery, very blustery day in fact, and chillier day in store for your Saturday. Today looking pretty good, as I mentioned, quite breezy out there, especially up north. That's where we'll see the strongest winds today. Mid to upper 50s for highs, so warmer than yesterday up there. Out west, look at this, upper 50s, lower to mid 60s, so they'll also see a warmer day, a little on the breezy side. Comparable temperatures to yesterday for the Tri-Cities today, mid 50s, a little warmer in northern Kansas in the upper 50s and lower 60s, breezy south and southeast winds, and low to mid 50s towards the east. We'll also see those stronger south and southeast winds of starting off 10 to 20 miles per hour, could get up a little bit over 20 miles per hour today. Tonight we got the celebration of lights for you folks in Hastings. Things kind of kick off at 5 o'clock. The lights will light up just before 7 o'clock. Looking pretty good temperature-wise. We've certainly had colder years out there in downtown Hastings for this. It will be a little on the breezy side though. Those south winds 10 to 20 miles per hour, so it'll make it feel a little colder. So you'll still want to dress appropriately, but again, as I said, maybe not the heavy layers like we have had to do in past years. Now to your 7-day forecast, looking pretty mild tomorrow, but again, that's despite mostly cloudy skies. Then here comes that chance of rain Friday night and early Saturday morning. A sunny day Saturday, but a windy and chillier day. Highs only in the mid to upper 40s. A colder night for Saturday night as the winds die down into the 20s, but good recovery Sunday here. Sunday morning we start off cold, but we're up to the mid 50s by Sunday afternoon with lots of sun. Even better for Monday, closer to 60 degrees. Another cold front. This one passes through with little fanfare. No precipitation expected, maybe a few extra clouds, but we will be cooler on Tuesday. We start to trend warmer on Wednesday. I'm going 50. There are some models trying to hold us back in the 40s, but there are others trying to push us closer to 60. So we may end up being warmer than that 50. And right now, looking towards Thanksgiving and Black Friday, towards the end of next week, 8-9 days out, forecast models are going pretty nice, at least 50s, and more likely probably 60s for that time frame and continued dry conditions. So as of right now, things looking pretty good. It does look like we may start to cool back, and quite a bit, in fact, as we get towards that Saturday, that next weekend following Thanksgiving. And one thing I'll also mention, maybe not much interest in the game at this point here, but the Huskers heading out to Happy Valley State College, Pennsylvania, to take on Penn State. Looks quite wet out there, especially before and after the game, but even during the game there's a chance of rain. Otherwise, temperatures in the 40s, so it may be a little damp out there for that big crowd, which I'm sure will be definitely be a white. It looks like a big whiteout probably expected for that late afternoon and evening game. So there you go. Again, weather wet out there. Not much moisture here other than Friday night. A little up and down, but a lot more up than down. And as I said, right now looking pretty good for Thanksgiving and for Black Friday. As I said, I did have a lot to talk about there, so didn't keep it too short, but hopefully it's not too long for you to watch this one here. But thank you for watching. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Kleneski. Hope you all have a great Thursday, and God bless.